This is how to reset the time and date on your SID unit on a Saab 9.5. This one is a 2000 model, but it should work on 9.5s, 9.3s if you've got this sort of SID unit. Might even work on some of the GM 900s as well. So set the clock. You just use these buttons here, up and down. Probably already know that, but to set that, that's going to take you days if you're 12 hours out. So to set the date, press the set button with the radio on. As you can see, it's now flashing with the year. You can adjust it up and down using the plus and minus buttons. Press set, it'll store that. Then you can change the month using the up and down buttons. Press the set button and then the day. Press the set button again. Stores it all, switch the radio off. 3rd of Feb, 2:10 in the afternoon. Alternatively, the quickest and easiest and most accurate way of doing it, switch the radio on, pick an RDS channel on your radio, BBC Radio 4, this one's set to, using the two buttons, press them both together at the same time. It'll do an RDS retime, and now your time is set. Switch it off and your date's set. All done, accurate off the radio waves, 10-second job. If you like it a few minutes fast, you can adjust it a couple of minutes just on the clock there, but the easiest way is just doing the retime on the buttons. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.